Good morning, student. We are going on the elimination method to solve the linear equation, and perhaps we continue exercise number 3.4, problems about the elimination method. So come and try to solve some problems. Question number second part of the second question. Second part of second question. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Noori and Sonu. There are two objects in this question, and compare between their ages. So let us consider Noori's present age X year and Sonu present age is Y year. Therefore, age before 5 years, age before 5 years, X minus 5 and Y minus 5. You can understand, if your present age is 10 years, then before 5 years you were about to 10 minus 5, that is 5 years. Similarly, we subtract the years from the present age and we get the age before requirement. According to question 82.1, Noori was thrice X minus 5 equal to 3 into Y minus 5. Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Sonu and Noori. (15 plus 5 minus 10). Now the first equation. Second is 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. 10 years later. 10 years later, age of Noori and Sonu, X plus 10 and Y plus 10. Similarly, if your present age is 10 years, then after 5 years you will be 15 years. To get the age after 5 years, 5 is added into present age. Therefore, similarly, after 10 years, age was Noori and Sonu equal to X plus 10 and Y plus 10. And 82.2, Noori was twice as old as Sonu, that is X plus 10, 2 into Y plus 10. Now X plus 10 equal to 2Y plus 20, or X minus 2Y equal to 20 minus 10, implies that X minus 2Y equal to 10. Now second equation. Your word problem be converted into the linear equation. Now we have to solve this equation and try to find the value of X and Y. So come. Come and solve by elimination method. x minus 3y equal to minus 10 now the first, and x minus 2y equal to 10 now the second. Subtracting equation this and this, finally you will get minus y equal to minus 20 and y is equal to 20. If y is equal to 20, then from first x minus 3 into 20 equal to minus 10, x minus 60 equal to minus 10, x is equal to minus 10 plus 60, now x is equal to 50. Yes. Therefore, Nouri's present age equal to 50 years and Sonu's present age is equal to 20 years. This is your answer. Problem on the base on the ages. Problem was solved by this method. Now come question number fourth part of question number second. Fourth part of question number second. Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000. She asked the cashier to give her 50s and 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 and 100 she received. Let she received 50s notes equal to x and 100 notes y. Total number of the notes were 25, therefore x plus y equal to 25. Now the first equation. If x notes were 50, if 50 is x note, therefore in rupees x by 2 plus y equal to 2000. Since she withdraw only 2000, therefore total value in RS of the notes are 2000. Therefore, according to question, x by 2 plus y by 1 equal to 2000. Now x plus 2y equal to 400. Second equation. And x plus y equal to 25. First solve it. One minute, something goes wrong. 50 note is x, 100 note is y. 200, 300. 50 is notes x. In RS 2000, she withdraw 2000. Therefore, 1 minute. 10 50s and 10 100. Then 500 and 1000. Total is 1500. Number of the notes divided by 2. Hundred. 1 minute. This is 100 into x by 2 plus 100 into y equal to 2000. This is clear. Now, by dividing by 100, x by 2 plus y equal to 20, x plus 2y equal to 40. Second equation. X plus y equal to 25, first equation. Subtracting this, y is equal to 15. Therefore, from 1, x plus 2 into 15 equal to 40. X is equal to 40 minus 30, that is 10. Therefore, 50's notes are 10 and 100 notes are 15. This is your answer. This can be solved. This question is solved by this manner. Number of the notes be converted into RS. If 50 note is, then 50 by 2 into 100. 100 notes is, total multiply by 100. And total is this. So, question number 5 is your homework. I hope that you understand what is the elimination method and how can we apply this method to solve the linear equation. Do work and try to do exercise. After this, students, we will study about the last algebraic method called by cross multiplication method. So come and try to read it. Let a1x plus b1y c1 equal to 0, a2x b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are two linear equations. A relation between the coefficient of x, y and constant be created just like as x upon b1, b2, c1, c2, y upon c1, c2, a1, a2 equal to 1 upon a1, a2, b1, b2. This relation is called cross multiplication method. By this system, this can be written as b1 c2, b2 c1, c1 a2 minus c2 a1, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. If x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, therefore x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. By this manner you will get the value of x. And if y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, therefore y is equal to C1A2 minus C2A1 upon A1B2 minus A2B1. By this you can find the value of y. This method is called cross multiplication method. In questions, in problems we applicate, how can we applicate this manner? Rule is first, given equations be arranged into the standard form. First work is, if your equation is given in a standard form, then there is no problem. But if your equations are not in the standard form, then first of all, your work is to arrange your equation into the standard form. That means ax plus by plus c equal to 0. When you arrange your equation in the standard form and write equation 1 and 2, then applicate this rule: x upon coefficient of y and constant equal to y upon constant and coefficient of x equal to 1 upon coefficient of x and coefficient of y. After that, in a one serial, cross multiply and subtract them and equate x to constant and y to constant and find the value of x and y. So I stop here. I will continue this method in your numerical problem tomorrow. So thank you.